Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to claim your 30-day free trial of TradingView, step by step. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the TradingView website. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. Creating a basic account is completely free. If you already have one, simply log into your dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Get Started for Free button. Clicking this will bring you to the TradingView pricing page. Here, you will see a few different upgraded plans, such as Essential, Plus, and Premium. The great thing is that all of these paid plans allow you to test them out with a 30-day free trial. Go ahead and select the plan that best fits your trading needs. For this example, we'll select Essential. You will be redirected to the checkout page. As you can see on the screen, the immediate charge is $0. However, to activate the trial, TradingView does require you to enter your personal details and a valid payment method, like a credit or debit card. Keep in mind, you will not be charged today. However, you will be billed automatically after the 30 days are up. So if you don't plan on keeping the service, just remember to cancel your subscription before your trial ends. Click Complete, and your upgraded features will be active immediately. It's honestly that simple. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to ClearTask, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching.